prolong the life of your equipment, it is important to clean each component. The gel on the Elite Bridge sucker should be wiped away using a cloth. To clean the syringe assembly, first expel any excess liquid. Remove the needle and plunger. Use the Esprit IPA spray to clean the inside of the syringe, and again use the plunger to expel any excess liquid. Carefully clean the black seal on the plunger. The inside of the syringe can be further cleaned using a rolled up piece of dry cloth. Finally, any residual resin should be removed from the needle. Next, dismantle the injector assembly and again remove any excess liquid. Use the IPA spray to clean the injector body and plunger. It's especially important to clean the injector seal very carefully, completely wiping away any excess resin. This will prolong the life of the injector. Likewise, the tip of the plunger should be clean and dry. All equipment should be returned to its correct place in the carry case. This completes our overview of the repair process using the Esprit kit and resin. For further questions and inquiries, please refer to the contact details on screen.